Hello and welcome to episode 18 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We gotta have a few things to go over today. First of all, we have a front door. This is the first time this house has had an actual front door. Now, let's not forget that that's still going into a bedroom right now that will turn into a foyer, but we have a front door that has been stained. As you can see, the railings have been built, stairs, we have steps going up to the front porch, which we haven't had in months. They came out and graded all the way over here, which is nice. So it's a little more level. Take you around to the basement. I'm really excited to show you the basement. It's not totally done, but it is definitely getting there. I hope I don't slip in this mud, this beautiful clay mud stuff. We have not painted the exterior brick yet, but we did decide on a color. It's similar to that gray, but it'll actually be a real gray. Come around here to our construction zone. Look at this. We have flooring. It's a mess, but we have flooring all in here. It's got to be cleaned, taped off the baseboards there. So those have to be painted. The crown molding has been painted, ceiling's been painted. Now we just have to do the walls and install the ceiling fans. Look at this. Look at this. It's really come together. I'm super excited about this. You saw the last time the island was there, but the rest of the cabinet doors and hardware, all that stuff was installed this week, and then we got most of the appliances in. We're just missing the microwave and the cooktop, but look at that double oven. Oh, I'm gonna put that to use. And let's go in here to the office. Flooring. Paint is done. Yeah, everything in here is pretty much done except for the baseboards. Those pretty steps again. And I have to show you the pantry. The pantry is finished. It's fabulous. So much better than what it was before. Look at that. Look at that. So that has come a long way. And then the bathroom, first of all, that's the cabinets that are going into the bathroom. We ordered those online. There's like a service online where you can design an entire layout. That was really awesome. The walls have been painted in here, the ceiling, and the tile has been put down. My husband did a fantastic job on this, and he's going to do the grout tonight and finish up on some little touch-ups, and then I'll be installing the toilet and the cabinet that will be going in there. And also, this week, we will be having the countertops coming in. We were going to get quartz, but the island, the measurements were off, and we had to change what we wanted. So I had to go back up there, and we picked out marble. But anyway, let's go upstairs. I'm going to show you what we have upstairs. Cabinets and our tile guys working on the shower, and we've had a lot of stuff going on over the past few weeks. And of course the house is a disaster. I mean, that's just gonna happen. And there's our pretty stairs that are still there. Still there. Go up the steps here. Okay, going into the master bedroom. All right, bathroom. Look at this. Cabinets, cabinets. And the shower. Look at this monstrosity. It's great. So that will be tiled this week. It's gonna make a huge difference. And we'll have glass over on the left side, as you can see my hand right here. Glass over there, and then this part would just be totally open. So you just walk into the shower. You don't have to worry about closing the shower door or a shower curtain or anything like that. Once we get moved into the basement, that will be opened. That'll be going into the main part of the house. And then over in the Jack and Jill, there's cabinets in here too that you can barely see. So anyway, that is what we're looking at for now. The next video the basement will be done. I'm not taking another video until the basement is done. So hang with us and we'll see you next time.